Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to create a bar chart in Excel. To create a bar chart, you need to select your data and then click on Insert and then choose the bar chart. I'll show you how it can be done. You can even select your data along with the headers like I'm doing it right now, and now go to Insert, and from here you can choose from this drop down a bar chart. A bar chart would automatically appear over here like this. You can have a stacked bar chart, these two types of stacked bar chart, and the most commonly used bar chart is this one. Let's click over here. Now your bar chart is created. All right. It automatically gives these headers like the target versus achieved. The target is being shown in blue color and the achieved is being shown in this orange color. All right. And the months are automatically lined over here. From this section, you can choose the various designs that are available. Just hovering over these would keep on changing the style of the chart like this. See, let's choose this one. And over here, once you click on bar chart title, you can edit it. Like we can edit it to say target versus actual. All right. So this is how you can simply create a bar chart. By clicking on it, you will see that these two new tabs open, design and format. If we click out of the chart, those two tabs don't show, but if you click on it, these two tabs show. So design allows you to quickly add these layouts or change colors from here. You can also have this quick layout. See, every layout has a different style like this. This one shows the values, etc. over here. Like this was the actual target, and this was what was achieved, 74 for the month of December. And when you go to format, you can then apply a lot of customization to it, like the shape fill, the outline, the shape effect, the text shapes. You can experiment a lot with these things and create astonishingly looking beautiful bar charts. These options again is chart styles, so you can choose chart styles from here. And if you click on plus, then you can choose the various chart elements. All right. Try experimenting with these and you would find that Excel is such a beautiful thing to help you create bar charts. See you in the next video.